Welcome back, trappers. This is a progress update on the Trailblazer on 26s. I am getting ready to leave to go pick up a buddy, and we are going to get some of the tools to get this stuff done. So we're going to acquire some tools. Maybe in the next day or so I can dig into it. I know we're supposed to be getting some snow, so I'm going to try and work around that. But I'm going to acquire the tools, and we're going to look at it at least and see what we can get done. So this is one step in that direction, and that's acquiring my own tools so I can just do it myself. Sometimes you want things done, nobody's willing to help you. You just got to do them yourself. So that's what we're doing, gang. So stay tuned, hang in there, enjoy this update. We're back. You can see in the back we grabbed some tools. I think we probably have just about everything we need to at least investigate the situation, see what we're looking at, and definitely give us a good start. So there's my first real investment to my YouTube channel. So these tools will be able to take care of a lot of different things, a lot of different projects. They'll come in handy. So really good thing to have around. I'm grateful. I appreciate them, and we're gonna put them to work. Alright guys, well, I made it back home, and I want to show you guys what we picked up tonight for the upcoming project of fitting these wheels on, and see what we're really looking at and what it's really going to take to get these massive 26-inch wheels on this little Trailblazer. But before I do that, I want to give two of my fans a shout out. I love it. It makes my day. It makes me smile. I have to give them a shout out. It's required. It's a must. Those kids, they're amazing. My nephew Chase Klein and his buddy Jerry Jackson, these guys, they love the show. They watch the show. I called my brother earlier on Facebook Messenger, tell him, hey, I got a bunch of tools for the project, and he was taking a nap, and Chase answered the phone, and he's like, hey, Uncle Jeremy, blah blah, hey, look what we're doing. And I can see that he's watching me on his TV again, so that makes me real happy. And thanks to everybody else who is supporting me here on my camp and on my team, making this happen and supporting me. You guys know who you are. I know you don't really care for the shout outs, but I got a small camp of people right here, a good handful of people that are behind me, help push everything I'm doing right now. They're behind me 100%, and I love you for it, and I thank you for it. And I'm gonna run with it and do my best for the channel and for everybody, the subscribers, just the whole nine. I give it what I got. But I want to shout out to those two guys and say thank you. Anyway, let's check out what we got back here. Look behind me. Man, it almost looks like Christmas back there. So I know it's a little hard to see like that. So let me pull some of that stuff out and get it here in front of the camera a little bit, so that way you guys can check out what we got. Okay, I'll start. This I actually borrowed from a buddy of mine. I didn't pick one up there. I didn't really have the extra cash after I bought all the other stuff to pick one up. He said, I got one that'll work great for you. You can come back and get the one you want. And so he borrowed this. Aaron Marks, thank you very much. I'll see these returned. So we have a ratchet with a 1/2-inch drive, so that's a start. And an extension, I don't know if it's an extension. I got some adapters here because I knew that I had a ratchet here. I know it's not the best. It's not going to be really as heavy duty for the stuff that I want to do, I don't think, for what I'm trying to do with these wheels. So I got some adapters. I don't really like using these. I definitely can't use these to torque, but they're just 4-piece socket adapter set. Pretty standard stuff. Man, my lighting's terrible, guys. Let's see if I can get you over this way. So that's pretty much what that is. Nothing real great there. Just a set of adapters. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Let's go here. Here we go. Picked up a set of these. They're multicolored according to size, I'm guessing. I got the standard, or the SAE set is what I picked up. I'm not really sure what I'll be working with as far as whether they're metric or standard, but I'm pretty sure that the ones that I have to use are standards. If not, I'll have to go back and get the other set, but at least I have some tools. These would be great for a lot of projects. Let's see, 10-piece set, 1/2-inch drive, multicolored deep well sockets, and they are thin walled. So when I did the spinner wheels, the way the wheels went on and the way the lug nuts went on, I had to have these thin walled sockets because I couldn't get a thicker walled socket in there to fit. So I made sure I had these. I don't know if I need it. Hopefully I don't break them. I've never broke one of these that I can recall. So hopefully these do the trick, and this is what works for me, and that it should be handy for a lot of other projects. I'm really sorry about the lighting, guys. It got dark on me. It does. Everybody knows in the winter it gets dark early. So that's what I'm dealing with too. So that puts projects off. And I know we have some pretty nasty weather coming tomorrow night and for the next couple days after that. So hopefully I can get out of work early and get home and get everything situated and maybe do video, maybe get some stuff done on actually fitting one and see what we're looking at once the adapter and the wheel is actually on. I don't plan on actually putting all of them on right now. I don't think it's going to be that simple for me. So I at least want to get on there and see what I'm looking at from there. And I need light, I need daylight. And in order to get a good video and show you guys what I'm looking at, I definitely need light. So we'll see what we can do for there as far as that project. But anyway, on with this. Let's do these. I picked up wrenches. I know I'm going to need a set of wrenches. That's obvious. This is a 32-piece combination set. It's got the SAE and the metrics on it. It's got standard size wrenches, I guess, and then it's got stubby ones. It's relatively cheap. It'll get me by for what I need. You know, I don't really do a lot of mechanic, heavy-duty stuff. So this kind of stuff is alright. It saves me some money because I'm not making any money on YouTube yet. So speaking of that, if you're new to my channel or if you've been here and you watch my videos, make sure right now, just take a minute to go ahead and like the video down there, give it the thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit that for me. I need 4,000 hours in the last year and 1,000 subscribers, so help me out with that. And go ahead, guys, comment away, and I'll try and be as active as I can with answering questions, commenting back, and getting back with everybody in the comments. But anyway, this is a set here, SAE certified. I don't know how it looks here. Combination wrench set. So I got some wrenches to do something with, and let's see what else is back here. Oh, I know I'm gonna need this. This is almost obvious. I've done enough work with the wheels and stuff to know that I'm gonna need this. And for the people who don't know, this is just a standard breaker bar. It's an 18-inch with a 1/2-inch drive breaker bar. So that's what I'll need. I'm almost certain that I'm going to need this at some point. It's good to have around. I know that. One thing that I do know I need to actually getting the wheels on once they're fitted and I know everything's in the right line and they're going to be on and I'm going to leave them on, I'm going to need a torque wrench. They need to be torqued to 110 foot-pounds of torque, I do believe, is the specification for this. And that's what I go with my adapters and my wheels. So I'm going to make sure they're torqued. I don't want to be riding around with untorqued wheels. It's not very good. I got a couple jack stands. That's what these are. There's 2 in the box. And they are, let's see what it says. 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands. And there's 2 of them in there. So that's good. That'll get me started. That'll get me up. And that'll be good support. You know, I'll leave the jack under it when I lift the truck up. I'll put these on there. And hopefully that's enough support. We don't have any accidents and we're safe. And it gets us by with what we need. It keeps the truck up off the ground because I can't work on it there. And then back here, I don't know if you can see. It's a little hard to see, but that is a, I don't know, like, I think 3-ton. Seems like a lot. Yeah, it's a 3-ton rapid pump jack, so whatever that means exactly. I don't really know all this, so I'm figuring it out. You're watching it with me. You're watching me figure it out, and who knows, maybe you're figuring it out with me. So this is the stuff I have. Pretty sure this is what I need to see what we're looking at least get the wheel on. and to go from there. So this would be a start, and this definitely give us a start for a lot of other projects to come. I haven't been in my shed since the fall. I know that during the winter we just push some things in there, so I gotta get in there and clean some things out so I have a little workspace. Usually I work right there. It's at the end of my driveway. It's convenient. I have some lights set up so I can see in there. We'll get a chance to check it out and see what kind of mess we're looking at. So hopefully it's not too bad, and I can create a little workspace while we're doing this project. So we'll be looking at that, and hopefully next few days, or hopefully even tomorrow, we can get the truck up, get the wheel off, get one of the new ones on, maybe sit it down, see how it sets, see if it rubs, where it rubs, and what we can do about it, if anything. So that's where we're going, guys. So stay tuned, check out the new videos, keep watching. I'm telling you, we're gonna get these wheels on this truck. We're gonna have a good time this summer. Trap My Ride is going on tour, but I don't want to talk about that right now. I want to save that for another video. The next couple days, while I have the bad weather, I want to take time out to do some more planning and development with the channel. I want to check out some more of the stuff in the background of the YouTube, and maybe learn how to use the YouTube dashboard a little better and bring higher quality pictures. I know that we're going to go look at cameras, and you guys are coming with me. So I'm not going to keep doing these videos with my phone. We're going to try and get better video, and one way to do that is to get a better camera. So I don't really know anything about cameras, so I'm going to have to check them out, go look. And one more thing I'm figuring out, I'm getting underway. You guys get to watch it, figure it out with me, and come along. So there's plans to build a good channel. Make sure you come back to watch that episode. That's the episode that everybody's going to want to see right now, more than the cars and anything, to see what is planned for Trap My Ride. So stay tuned. Make sure to hit the notification bell down there, ding ding ding. Make sure that you know when there's new videos every day, guys. I'm going to try and get some sort of content, even if it's just a short clip of something. I just want to keep you entertained, keep you here, and keep the show rolling. That's the plan. Make sure to get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you don't like. I want to hear it all right now. Help me out, guys. We're building together.